Oh, wellness people, I'm back like I never left. Today, we are making waffles like no other. I call it Waffle Goodness. The VIP in today's recipe is strawberries. First thing first, let's start by soaking these strawberries in baking soda and vinegar to get rid of enemy of progress. Why strawberries? These little gems compact with healthy benefits, rich in vitamin C, boost immune function and support skin health, high in antioxidant, fight cell damage and inflammation, loaded with fiber and potassium for happy heart, perfect for weight management without sacrificing the flavor. These berries are delicious ways to keep your waffles healthy, low glycemic, and absolutely delicious. Let's get cooking. Grease the waffle maker with a touch of organic coconut oil. Keep it cute and classy for extra goodness. Today we are going gluten-free with almond flour. Here's the magic mix. Start with one organic free-range eggs. You've got options here. Either use mayo or cottage cheese. I am going with 1 teaspoon of cottage cheese for creamy twist. Cottage cheese is packed with protein, supporting muscle growth and repair. It is rich in calcium, protecting bones and teeth. Low in calories, it's ideal for weight management and keeps you feeling fuller for long. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to keep things light and fluffy. Toss a dash of vanilla for extra sweetness. Now, shake it like you mean it. Half a teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar with mother. For flavor, sprinkle nutmeg, cinnamon, and just a splash of Himalayan salt. For my sweet tooth babies and bellas, don't worry, I got you covered. These waffles will satisfy your cravings without the sugar spike. For natural sweetness, organic honey, organic blue agave, and molasses, including dates, are excellent choices. They provide rich natural flavor while offering antioxidants and minerals. These alternatives are lower on the glycemic index, making them a healthier choice to satisfy your sweet craving. Toss a dash of blue agave sweetener, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of water, and then blend with the rich and famous. This waffle recipe is packed with protein and fiber from almond flour and cottage cheese, promoting sustained energy and fullness. The inclusion of low glycemic sweetener and antioxidant rich strawberry supports balanced blood sugar and overall wellness. Now, let's pour the batter in the greased hot waffle maker and wait for the goodness. Look at that gorgeous goodness screaming, I'm coming out. I want the world to know. I am kicking things off with the vegan butter I made earlier using cashew nuts and dates for a creamy plant-based spread. To top it all off, I will garnish this delicious waffle with our VIP star, strawberry. Now it's your turn. Will you be trying this delicious waffle recipe with the kids? I did love to see your waffle goodness. So feel free to send me a pic of video. This recipe is perfect for all ages and generations. Healthy, tasty, and fun for the whole family. Thank you all for the amazing engagement on this page. Your thumbs ups, comments, and subscription mean the world to me. You guys are the bomb. Keep it healthy and happy cooking.